told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake us.
Welcome back to PMR. Today we have the silicone case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here's the barcode or serial number, so let's open it. What's inside the box? You have this manual. And of course the silicone case. Looking at it right now, it looks gorgeous. Just the way the light hits it. It's just that dark purple. Comes in 8 colors. This one's is the elderberry. Let's go ahead and take it out of this cardboard. Going around, I noticed that the buttons, the rims, and the logo is black. So you have the elderberry and black combination going around on the top. Let's go on the side. Also the buttons for the volume is black. Going down here. Now on the speaker and lightning hole, you got the lightning hole here. Also you got the speaker. One is bigger than the other. So it's symmetrical to the phone. And as per usual, it does not have a hole for the lanyard string. Inside of the case, you have this suede fabric, so it will not scratch your phone. And it surrounds the whole entire case. From top to bottom, the side. And of course, you have that MagSafe ring. This is the deep purple iPhone, and we also did a review on this. We'll put a link down below. Let's get the case. As you can see, it's a bit darker. The case is a bit darker than the phone. Let's go ahead and put it on. Nice. It fits in there very easily. Let's go around the case. Now I do have a speak and screen protector, but even without it, if you go on the side, it's raised enough that it will protect your screen. Just going around. Now does it cover the speaker hole? Nope. Plenty of space for the speaker hole here. The other side. Looks very simplistic. Fitment on the side is good. It's tight. I mean, if you push it far enough, of course, it will give, especially on the button side. But as far as the surrounding area, at the bottom, let's try it. Looks good. Fitment on the top. Nice, tight fit. Buttons are clicky. Feels good. On and off switch, no problem. Very clicky. Enough space for the mute switch. Just look at how nice this is on the other side. It just matches the phone really well. The only issues I have is you do get a little bit of fuzz. So once you put this in your pocket, it's going to get a little bit more. But you just kind of just swipe it. Kind of takes it away. So we were going to go with the black one. We just wanted the camera bump to kind of pop out with that purple color. But I'm glad we exchanged it for this because it just matches the phone better. You got that logo, the black logo, and the buttons. It matches the rim and the camera lenses on the phone. Going on the side here, let's look at the camera rim. Definitely high enough to protect it so it won't scratch it even if you have it face down. I like how it's also black. Got that black and purple combination. What we like about this case is it's not too grippy and it's not too slippery either. It's just right in the middle. It's really nice. It feels very premium. It looks really good too. It comes in 8 colors. It costs about $49. Sometimes they go on sale. You just have to look at our link below for the updated price. If you're looking for a sleek, minimal, thin look, this is definitely a case you guys want to check out. It feels very premium as well. Let's hear the sound if the case gets in the way. Plug the bottom, check out the top speaker. Now there's definitely plenty of space between the silicone case and the screen, but let's just go ahead and check it anyway. I'll play the sound. And of course, another awesome feature is the MagSafe capability. So let's get our charger. I'm gonna charge. There you go. The magnet strength is the same as last year. Or all the other silicone cases from the 12 to 13. Decent magnet with the silicone case. A little bit harder to slide off or swipe off. Good strength and it won't fall. Of course, if you have any Maxif accessory, put a link below if you guys are interested of any of them. Phone holder. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you and stay positive. Stand. Good strong magnets. Put on your wallet. And in time, I'm not sure if the camera is seeing it, it will leave a little bit of a ring. Go ahead and take off the phone case. I usually go in one corner first, pop that out. Other side, pop it out. There you go. It's a little bit difficult, which is not necessarily a bad thing, because if you drop this phone, you don't want it flying off. Like we mentioned before, the only downside is you'll get all that lint or dust. So if you put it in your pockets, you'll get a lot of these. And I just kind of have to swipe it off. As soon as you put it in your pocket, or even in your desk, if you have a dusty desk, it's gonna kind of like attract it. So that's your iPhone 14 Pro Max silicone case. We'll put a link down below. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe and stay positive.